Today's video is all about summer DIYs. I put together a cute video with some bee decor and some home decor, so I hope you enjoy the video. This one we're going to make a buzz decor, and I'm going to grab these cute little dice from Dollar Tree and the stencil from Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to take them out of the package because I'm going to be painting them in different colors. The colors I'm going to use is white, antique wax, yellow, and black. To hide the black dots on the white and yellow one, it took about 4 coats. So I'm painting this one with the antique wax, and then the other two, one's going to be yellow and black, but I'm going to do that off camera. So now I'm going to grab the Dollar Tree stencil and the black paint, and I'm going to use the little sponge from Dollar Tree. Now, these stencils, they work great. The only thing is, I find it's really hard to get it straight on the surface because it's really hard to tell if it is straight. Now I'm going to place down the Z and use the black paint on that one as well. The other two are going to be white. So my camera shut off at the end, so I didn't get the ending. All I did was add some Dollar Tree little bees and some sunflower little flowers from Dollar Tree to the top. And that's pretty much it. And this came out really cute. For this DIY, we're going to turn these cute little birdhouses into some bee houses. I grabbed this burlap from Hobby Lobby, and these bees are from Dollar Tree, and the sunflowers are from Dollar Tree, and the other bees are from Hobby Lobby, and these are a mixture from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. The first thing I'm going to do is paint the bottom bases and the top trim in black chalkboard paint. Remove the bird purchase so it left a hole, so I'm grabbing some spackle and just going to fill the holes with the spackle. Once the spackle dried, I just sanded it down. Now I'm just going to grab some yellow paint. I'm going to paint the remaining part of the birdhouse. To cover the holes, I'm grabbing some black poster board from Dollar Tree. Just going to cut a circle out, trace it with the bottom part of the little paint. So this way I got a nice even circle. And then once I cut them out, I'm going to place them right in front. Next, I'm going to grab the burlap fabric and place it right over the top of the birdhouses and place it down with some hot glue. So once I place it over the top, just get an idea where I need to cut it, and then I'm going to place it down with some hot glue. Now I'm just going to cut the remaining part of the burlap that's hanging over the birdhouse. Now I'm going to take that little poster board circle and just hot glue it to the front of the birdhouse. Now I'm just going to glue the Dollar Tree rope right around that little black circle. The Dollar Tree rope does come apart at the ends if you don't glue them. I'm going to grab one of those Dollar Tree bees and place it right near the rope and the little black circle. Now I'm going to grab one of those little sunflowers and I'm going to place it right on top of the birdhouse. Now I'm going to grab one of those Hobby Lobby bees and I'm going to place it right in front. I did the other house off camera and I think these came out so stinking cute, and this is how they turned out. All right, moving on. We're going to make a bee fence with a Dollar Tree fence. I was going to use these, but I decided they're too big. And the decal from Dollar Tree and some ribbon. I'm going to start off by painting the fence with some white and yellow lines. So I'm placing down some tape. I'm going to start off by using this yellow daffodil paint, and then I'm going to go right into the snow white paint. I'm using these little fences from Dollar Tree. There's so many things you can do with them. You can make like flower pots, signs, anything. I just love them. So here I'm just adding some white between the yellow lines, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm going to grab that B decal. I'm going to cut it out. I'm going to cut the B word out as close as I can, and I'm going to place that down on the fence. Now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to cut out that little B and place that on the fence as well. I hope you're enjoying this video so far, and if you are, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I do appreciate that so much. I think this sign is so adorable once I finish it. You'll see it's so easy, and I just love using Dollar Tree products to see what I could come up with. Now I'm just going to cut out the word that says happy. I'm going to place that right at the bottom of the fence, and look how cute it's starting to look. So I made a quick bow out of Dollar Tree. It's a bee ribbon. It's really cute. And I just tied it off with some jute twine and just going to hot glue it to the corner of the fence. So I'm grabbing one of Dollar Tree's little bees. I'm going to place it right between that bow at the top. And then I'm going to take one of those small sunflowers and just hot glue it to the top. And that is it. Look how stinking cute this came out, guys. I love it. Going to make two little mini signs, little mini houses from Dollar Tree. Grab these from Dollar Tree. Unfortunately, the little roofs are coming apart, but that's okay. And I grabbed this wall decal, and I'm going to be using, well, wallpaper, whatever you want to call it. This is super, super easy. I'm just going to flip over the houses, trace out the wallpaper, and cut it. Now I'm just going to peel the backing off and place it right on top of the house. Really super easy. Dollar Tree carries other types of wallpaper, other designs. I thought this would be perfect. Now I'm going to be placing down the words I created on my Cricut. And for the life of me, I don't know what is going on with the transfer tape. No matter what I use, I struggle with it. If you guys have any suggestions or really good transfer tapes, please let me know in the comments below. These are really cute for like shelf sitters. Gives you an idea what you can do with them. You can change them up if you don't like this particular wallpaper, but I thought it was neutral and it's really pretty. So the saying says, bless our home. And you can see the struggle is real, guys. I just had such a tough time with this transfer tape. All right, so now I'm just going to place the roof on top using some glue. I'm going to add a little heart to the top of the little house so that it looks cute this way. And then I'm going to show you the other one as well. Just going to place down the wording that says, and thank you for our house full of love. So I'm going to add another heart to this one as well. And look how cute these both came out. And that's pretty much it. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Take care, everyone. I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.